Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below.
And today we're making
what's that? It looks like croissant.
Nutella cookies.
Anyway,
yes.
Kids
So all you'll
Love
need
Food.
is
This cauliflower.
you should use Nutella, but just use
nice
chocolate.
juice.
These are not spreads.
Comment down below and give a
have
like. And subscribe to Kids Love Food.
All-purpose flour.
That's
Like what you
nicer.
And
Whoa, that's
just
so
one
many.
egg.
I can't even
So
pick
that's what
them.
we're gonna do. Start.
Because we kids
So I'm just
love.
need 1 cup of Nutella or chocolate spread.
And always be healthy. And say healthy. Kids love food. And always stay healthy. Don't eat too much chocolate. You can eat chocolate, but not that much. Like, not 10 times a day. So we're
1
gonna make
cup.
cookies, nice chocolate cookies. You will like it, I think.
This is going to be like the one that's going to make the
This is a
dough
lot of
form.
chocolate.
Yep. You don't. Yep. This is a lot of chocolate.
Like, everybody loves chocolate. I mean,
Not
she loves chocolate.
everybody.
She loves chocolate, so that's why she wants to put so much chocolate.
It's 1 cup from the recipe.
Oh, sorry. That's not a lot. Like, that is a lot. And always, if you're having toast,
That should be
Something-
enough. You don't want to put
Yeah,
too
but
much and
if you're
get
having
cavities.
toast, never ever put this much chocolate. Never ever put that much spread on your toast, by the way.
Yeah, don't put this much. It's not good to have too much. But we're having cookies, so
So it's going to be
and this is the one that makes the dough. Without this, it's gonna be like flour and egg. I think.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a dough, but it ain't gonna be.
Nice and chocolate.
I know what's gonna happen.
Really nice.
And plus, it's in the name.
I'll advise you, you make this
There you go.
yourself at home. And it's kind of nice to get your own costume that I have.
So we're gonna have cookie cutters. This is the cookie cutter. I'm gonna keep this just in case you have a lot of dough. And here we have this one. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our bowl over here. Move stuff away. And we're gonna place this inside
Ooh, let me see.
the bowl.
That is a lot. Like, when I mean a lot, that is a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot in
Let me
there.
see. That is a lot. Like, that is a lot. So I've got 2 chefs right here. So we are the chefs.
So I guess you can use different spreads, not just Nutella, but don't go too far. Like adding jam, like maybe you can use peanut butter or something, because like the same spread but just
Yeah.
different taste and flavor.
Maybe you can put jam or peanut butter or
Biscuit.
chocolate or any of those.
Yeah, but don't go too far into
And then
jam.
don't put 2.
Like that's not gonna turn into. I don't know. What's
You
gonna
don't
happen.
put 2 spreads inside. It will taste nice.
I don't know. It's up to you if you like the taste.
Yeah.
It's all about your taste, you guys. If you don't like Nutella, then use peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanuts or you don't like peanuts, then use Biscoff. You know what
Yeah,
Biscoff
might be
is.
allergic to peanut butter or something.
I don't know.
So yeah.
Always be careful when you eat, guys. You don't.
And if you don't know, if you're
Okay.
allergic to someone,
And now we're gonna
always
add
ask your parents.
is plain flour.
You gotta add plain
Oh wait,
flour.
wait, no. But first, let's add the egg. So you're gonna.
Perfect, Dad.
So what we're gonna do first,
That's
we're gonna
perfect.
bash the egg on the table
3, 2, 1.
quickly, and gonna crack the egg. Gonna look and be sure if
If
there's
any
no
shells.
shells inside. You don't want shells in your food, and if not, just break the yolk
Yeah.
and mix this together.
And don't try it. Don't try eating raw egg.
Mm,
Just don't. It's not nice. It's not nice.
right, so.
Yeah, it's
So this is, and by the way guys, this is really good because it's just 3 ingredients. It's not a big thing that needs more than just 1 ingredient, 1 of 3 ingredients. Yeah.
So don't put. You're only allowed to put like 1 egg and some.
The main thing you just do is just become dough. Once it becomes dough, then you can add maybe some stuff like chocolate chips or something like that if you want.
So basically, it's all about the taste, basically.
See, as you see, it might be a little bit right now.
Yeah, you don't
Oh,
need
you have
to
to add
worry
the
about
flour.
the look. You don't need to worry about the look. It's just about the taste.
So
Yeah,
there
that's
we
what
go.
we care about. The taste, not the look.
Just gonna
This is
this.
really messy right now. Not really messy, but messy inside the box.
It's messy.
Yep. But it'll be nice and cleaner when you see the end product if it's going.
So then you gotta add the plain flour. Add it here, careful.
And don't eat these stuff when it's raw.
So this is gonna. If you add the flour, this is what's gonna make the dough bit now. The dough.
And don't eat it raw.
I think it's better. This is my opinion. It's better to put the egg first, so it's like liquidy, than putting the flour first. When you get rock hard. And when dealing with raw egg, make sure you throw it away and wash your hands.
Yeah, and
so first we're gonna just gently put some more.
And if you are dealing with like you're on the cooker or you're in the oven, just always ask the parents.
And I'll just pour this gently because it's gonna become dough now, so you don't want to put too much. Not too much. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
And if it needs a bit more dough, like flour, more liquidy to stick onto the flour, just add a bit more. Not egg, but Nutella.
Yeah.
I think that's just my opinion. This is my first time making Nutella. Well, this Nutella cookie, but not necessarily cookies. So, as you can see now, guys, it's coming really hard. Not really hard, but it's coming like dough now. It's coming together. Now you just want to just scrape all the sides here. You really want to make sure all that flour is blended in. Will you stop eating the Nutella or the chocolate spread that was on that spoon?
Come on. I'll save you some.
No, I don't want any.
Okay,
now. Okie dokie. You make sure not to waste anything. Well, try not to waste anything. Just don't waste anything in the first place. So now, guys, you mix it all together. Now here it comes, like some sort of, like kind of like an icing. We tried it, even though it's raw egg flour. Will you stop eating the Nutella that has spoon on it?
Okay. I'll eat the bowl that's flour.
No, don't eat the bowl. We're still using some of that flour in there.
Oh yeah. Then I'll eat.
That's more like it.
I'll eat something.
So now what you can do, you can roll it out and just do cookie dough. Or mostly for this, you just have to mold it with your hands, not necessarily going out, because it could easily stick. Compared to the texture of it, it's not probably like a proper dough.
And you never know what's the end product. It might be just
a bit too sticky. You can just add a little bit more flour.
You never know. It might be just a piece of flour, like a grain of flour.
Add a bit more flour just to make it nice. A bit more.
Yeah, put these.
Not too much.
Oh, it's all stuck to the top.
Once it comes dough, you can add stuff to it, but don't make it too much stuff. They'll end up. So guys, and now we've put in the oven. And guys, just to give you warning, well not warning, but information that this cookie dough doesn't actually doesn't roll out on a surface and then like shape it with the cookie cutter. You actually just need to roll it with your hands and form a circle or shape. So you put it in the oven and for 10 to 15 minutes. Or for us, you just put it for 14 minutes.
Parents for advice to help you.
Yeah, I always ask your parents to help you if you need help.
And this is the end product.
Yeah, we're just waiting it to cool down.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then to cool it down, just 3 more minutes. Yep.
Yep.
And to test it out if it's some like.
Yeah, but next time we'll have to try and use a more thinner than just poking a hole like that.
You put this and then see if it's clean.
Yeah, so there you go, guys. That's how to make 3 ingredient Nutella cookies. Yep, very easy to make.
It's really nice.
And by the way, guys, it is when you mold it, it's going to get a bit oily. But we just found out that it's just a Nutella or the chocolate is making it oily, so it's fine, you guys.
So bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and please subscribe and put thumbs up and bye. We love food.
I love food.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below.
Kids love food.
Ooh, what's that? It looks like a croissant.
Anyway, Kids Love Food.